Hello, today I present to you this argan oil by the brand Fatima's Garden. It also has rose petal oil in it and it is fantastic. It's 100% natural for face, hair, body, nails. It claims to help with anti-aging, moisturizing, and clearing skin. It also claims to help with strengthening hair. So let's go ahead and look into it. Something I love about this is it's multi-use for beauty, so you can use this for your face and your hair. So let's check it out. Just open it like so. There's a little dropper right here. And it comes out like this. Place some on my hands. And I'm going to put it on the ends of my hair. It smells really, really good too. It smells like roses, which I love. And it just makes my hair feel super soft, and it makes it feel really strong too. And then I'm also gonna take a little bit more and put it on my face. It recommends to do it right after you cleanse your face, and I already did for the day. And it just feels really moisturizing on the skin. So if you're looking for a multi-use, 100% natural argan oil, I highly, highly recommend this one by the brand Fatima's Garden. Thanks for watching.